embaixador Japão e Timor-Leste, Tetsuya Kimura, acompanha o seu representante da companhia japonesa, Tsuneishi Shipbuilding. Atualiza progresso registro no investimento em indústria, construção naval e a manatuto do primeiro-ministro Kairala Xanana Guzmão. Embaixador Japão e Timor-Leste Tetsuya Kimura informa para jornalista Sira foi encontro o primeiro-ministro e o Palácio Governo dele, terça-feira, Lawrence no recém-hat fulang maio tinane. Tetsuya Kimura informa, presidente Tsuneishi Shipbuilding, Hamoto Konya, Hasoru Malu Josefi Governo, onde atualiza progresso registro ilegal no investimento em indústria e construção naval e município Manatuto, no Moscou no desenvolvimento se sirene serviço, no companhia Nemos, Hariona sirene companhia local e a Timor-Leste.
A visit with my colleagues, Prime Minister, in order to update on the investment from Japanese companies and also our development cooperation. And with regards to the investment from Japanese companies, the President, Mr. Oda of Tsuneishi Shipbuilding, Timor-Leste, came with me and to update on the development of their work, their activities. And the Tsuneishi Shipbuilding companies created the local company here in Timor-Leste at the end of January. And they have started 2 local staff, and they have been trained in Japan for a month, and they hired another 20 ship designers who are graduates from the UNTA, and they will hire officially 20 those ship designers to the company survey, and they have completed the initial survey, and based on this survey they will start soon the detailed survey, and if the survey is positive, and then the company will consult with further with the government to conclude the agreement and to get the environmental permission, and afterwards they can start the construction of the shipyard.
Reportagem Efifânia de Carvalho, Televisão Timor-Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Hane yang botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.